So I'm Damo, I'm the director, founder of the Vanlife Festival. I've just collected my bike, which you can see there in the back, which I'm very, very excited, looking forward to getting out on. This is the West Mids Showground in Shrewsbury in Shropshire, my own town, the town in which I was born back in 1983. Reminds me how old I am now, 40 this year. With the e-bikes, it's fantastic that you can park up your van, you can get onto your e-bike and you can go off and explore. Do you know something? This is like Christmas, man, it's amazing. I mean, I'm a tall guy, 6'2", and I feel, yeah, I'm liking it, I'm just liking it. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. It's so effortless, it's just, yeah. This is 5. Felt like it was on suspension down there. When I was going over the bumps, I do a lot of off-grid camping, so I could be parked off-grid and the nearest shop could be 7 miles. And it's just great to know I've got something in the van. If I need to go and get a bit of stock, I can put the panniers on the back of this, grab a few bits, and yeah, I don't even have to pack the van up. Yeah, it's fabulous. Oh, it's nice to go up that hill with ease. Oh, wicked. If you haven't rode a bike for years, you could just jump straight on this, couldn't you? And, you know, with that assisted power, like I said, it's just accommodating everybody, isn't it? You know, and there's something about being on a bike as well, isn't there? For me, this is what this is about now. It's beautiful. You're by the river. It's a lovely day. Freedom. It's being on something that feels solid. You feel tall on it. You feel well supported on it, and you're sitting on those smaller wheels. And there's just something magical about that. There's something that it just brings you back to. It is like a BMX, that's the only way to describe it, or a chopper bike. But with support, you know, full support, you feel that you're really on something quality that's gonna support you.